One of the best-known products of Pag is definitely the famous Pag cheese. We visited one cheese factory in which many kinds of this fantastic delicacy are produced from the milk obtained exclusively from sheep which graze on Pag. Pag is special for the fact that it has very little grass, which is very salty, because of the salt brought on by the bura. Sheep which graze on this grass and aromatic plants like immortelle, sage and laudanum give a special kind of milk. Pag cheese curd is really a special treat. Its taste is specific. It is very soft and meltable and is used as a spread or topping for cakes and pancakes. Curd contains less than 1% fat, no carbohydrates, and because of this, it makes for an excellent diet product. It is especially recommended as an aid for liver regeneration.